Is hiccups a sign of coronavirus? Doctors are warning, persistent hiccups could be a possible new symptom of coronavirus. A report published in the American Journal of Emergency Medicine describes the case of a man who tested positive for the deadly disease after having hiccups for 4 days. The 62-year-old, from Chicago, had initially shown no other symptoms, but a scan on his lungs showed indications that he was struggling with his lung capacity. The man was put in an isolation room, where he was tested positive for coronavirus. The report stated, "To our knowledge, this is the first case report of persistent hiccups, as the presenting complaint in a COVID-19 positive patient, in emergency medicine literature." They say, hiccups should not be dismissed as a symptom.